And just one additional question. There was some legislation which happened early this week on Monday.
Yeah.
How do you think that's going to affect the CBD industry?
Yeah, thanks, Ron. I'm so glad that you asked. So the chairman of the House Committee on Agriculture on Monday introduced what is basically a congressional fix from what I was just talking about, in that it was what this piece of legislation will allow is it will remove the prohibited act provision that doesn't allow FDA to regulate CBD as a food, and it will remove the exclusionary rule that doesn't allow FDA to regulate CBD as a dietary supplement. And if that law is passed and goes into place, then FDA is now in the position of being able to regulate these products under the normal regulatory framework and not have to initiate a special set of notice and comment rulemaking. Now, does that make, the question that immediately comes to me right after that, and it's like, okay, so then as soon as that congressional act goes through, we're good to go, right? And the answer is, again, no, because the legal process for having a new dietary ingredient or having a new food substance is still that you have to submit, if you're a company marketing a food product, a company-sponsored self-affirmed GRAS notification. The FDA reviews all of your safety studies and then will report back to you and with a no objection letter if they're going to allow the product to go forward. On the dietary supplement side, it's a little bit different because you're actually submitting an NDI notification, but fairly similar requirements in terms of having to document the safety and the exposure of someone to the product over time. But it certainly would be a victory because FDA is very experienced in evaluating a GRAS notification and an NDI notification. And part of what the issue with the FDA right now is they're saying we really don't have the data about the safety of this product. We don't have the data about the safety. And with the GRAS notifications and the NDI notifications coming in, FDA would have the data about the safety, right? And so it would really kind of be saying to the FDA that they need to put their money where their mouth is. And are we going to have legal CBD in food and in dietary supplement products?